Hey, it's Dr. Krystal Couture from Pure Balance Holistic Healing, Holistic Physical Therapy, and Acupuncture in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And today I wanted to pop on and just elaborate a little bit more on benefits of microneedling and typical microneedling protocols. So what microneedling does is it provides a natural, safe, minimally invasive, with little downtime approach to beauty. It's a both luxurious and healing process for your whole body, but can really help us with our self-confidence and self-worth, and just allowing us to take a moment to do good self-care for ourselves and for our skin. So microneedling is going to reduce fine lines and crow's feet. It can also help to reduce the smile lines or acne scars. It's great for stretch marks and also to regulate dark spots on the body. It will help to reduce pore size because it's stimulating that tissue to heal and to kind of contain and consolidate itself. It's going to help improve the skin elasticity. Of course, it stimulates elastin and collagen. We've talked about that, but the skin elasticity around the jawline, sagging skin, that kind of thing, it will help to tone that skin, again, just by stimulating the blood to move to that area. It's like, in a way, microneedling is a little bit like exercising, right? For your face, it's very important that we are doing things to keep the muscle tissue, the fascia, and the skin active. Otherwise it atrophies. We would see that in our body if we didn't move our body. So our face is the same thing. And then with our face, unfortunately, what happens is we have these patterns that we fall into, and the patterns of how we smile, how we make faces, if we squint a lot, if we get angry and kind of, frown a little bit. These patterns, they stick, because they're the way the muscles are used to working. So all of these things contribute to what our face looks like. And the microneedling, of course, can help that. Microneedling also stimulates hair growth. So a really cool story, my teacher, Michelle Gellis, has a picture of her eyebrows, and she did over her eyebrows and with microneedling for a while, and she has these beautiful dark eyebrows that she doesn't treat with anything, and they're nice and dark, and there's a lot of hair there, so they do stimulate hair growth as well, which is a sign of vitality and strength within the body. Of course, we've talked about this. It's going to stimulate, microneedling is going to stimulate blood, qi, and lymph stimulation and movement within the face. That is how we look at it from a Chinese medicine perspective. Anytime that we're sticking a needle into the body, we are going to elicit a neuroendocrine response. This neuroendocrine response helps to relax the nervous system and stimulate the good hormones in the body that make us feel better. So this is another benefit to microneedling. And of course, we use a whole body approach within the practice. So that's really key to what's happening. We're treating the whole body, not just the face. Now, if we want to talk about protocols, how does it work? Well, microneedling needs to be spaced out by 4 weeks between each session. This is so that the face can have a full healing response. We have to be aware that this is an invasive procedure. We are stimulating the skin with a lot of needles, and that means that we need appropriate healing time. So we need 4 weeks between sessions. Typically what we say is that we're gonna do 6 sessions, so 6 months in a row of microneedling, and that should give you long-term effects for 3 to 5 years. Now, if your skin is a little more advanced in age, or has a little bit more damage to it, or has had external factors, toxic factors, or internal factors like diet that are contributing to skin health being a little bit more poor, it's wise to consider what you're doing between those sessions. So that's gonna mean your self-care, which is your moisturization. It's gonna be your diet. It's going to be your facial gua sha or cupping that you might do at home, and maybe some derma rolling. It also means that you may want to lean into other modalities that are appropriate during the time between microneedling sessions. And you can actually have cosmetic or facial acupuncture between your sessions on a weekly basis. So that can really help to improve the skin. Now, of course, keeping the consistency up, so utilizing for micro, those 4 weeks in between is really important, but also not going too far is important because we need to harness the healing power once it starts. You know, if you work out at the gym for 4 weeks and then stop working out for 4 weeks and then start again, you have to start from the beginning. So it's not quite the beginning, but we don't want to waste time if this is a goal of yours, okay?